It's our instinct.
What do you mean, hon?
Some animals know when weather's coming. When they feel it coming, they sit.
Joan!
Is that raining? It's raining.
Lucky guess, Baxter. Lucky guess.
Kind of stopped raining.
It would appear Evan Baxter was right about the rain, with a slight miscalculation as to the quantity.
Something's wrong. Get on the ark! Everyone on the ark now!
Ladies first, move! Oh my God, this is happening. This is really happening.
Get everyone on the ark now! Get on the ark now! Let's go! Get on the ark! Let's go! Go!